Hey guys, this is Anali and I am back with a new tutorial. This tutorial we would be discussing one of the problem regarding the friction. So guys, before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification about the newly uploaded videos. So guys, I have mentioned the problem statement in the description box. It consists of the two blocks A and the B which are placed one above the another. The block A is connected to this inclined plane by means of the string. We need to determine the value of the P which is required to just move this block. And the coefficient of the friction between all the contact surface is given as 0.4. Weight of the block A is 180 Newton while weight of the block B is 270 Newton. So guys, for solving such kind of the problem, our first step is to draw the free body diagrams. So let us draw the free body diagram. So we are drawing the free body diagram of the block A first. So block A. Okay, so there will be 180 Newton force acting in the downward direction, and taking the two components, this angle would be definitely 30 degree only. So this would be 180 cos of 30 degree, and this would be 180 into sine of 30 degree. Okay, also there will be tension inside this string, so we are denoting it as like this. So this is T, so this angle would be also 30 degree. So this component would be T cos of 30 degree, and this component would be T sine of 30 degree. Also there will be normal reaction due to this contact surface, so let us name it as NAB. Since this block B would be moving in this direction, so relative to block B, this block A would be moving in this direction, so the frictional force would definitely act in this direction. So the frictional force acting on the block A is in this direction. So this is FAB and having the magnitude of 0.4 NAB. Okay, now we'll be applying the conditions of the equilibrium. So sigma Fy equals to 0, NAB, that is equals to 180 cos of 30 degree plus T sine of 30 degree. So NAB is equals to 90 root 3 plus T by 2. Let us take this as equation number 1. Now we are applying another equilibrium condition, that is sigma Fx equals to 0. So 180 sine of 30 plus 0.4 times NAB, and that is equals to T cos of 30 degree. Okay, so we will be putting the value of NAB from this equation 1 in this equation. So we will be getting 36 root 3 plus 0.2 T plus 90, that is equals to T root 3 by 2. So the value of T comes out to be 228.75 Newton. And putting this value of T in this equation, the value of NAB comes out to be 270.25 Newton. Okay, similarly now we will be drawing the free body diagram of this block B. So this is the block B. There will be weight of 270 Newton acting in downward direction. This angle would be 30 degree. So this component would be 270 cos of 30 degree, and this component would be definitely 270 sine of 30 degree. Okay, since FAB is acting in this direction, on the block B, FAB would definitely act in this direction, so this is FAB. Okay, also there will be normal reaction due to this contact surface, it would be acting in this direction, so naming it as NAB. Also there is a contact surface between this block B and this inclined surface, so there will be normal reaction acting, which is denoted as NB, and there will be the frictional force acting. Since this block B is moving in this direction, frictional force would definitely act in this direction, so the frictional force acting on the block B due to this contact surface would be FB equals to 0.4 times NB. Okay, so now we will be applying the conditions of equilibrium. Also there is force P which we need to find, which is required to move this block. So there's this P. Okay, now we are applying the conditions of equilibrium, that is sigma Fy equals to 0 and sigma Fx equals to 0. So sigma Fy equals to 0. So NB equals to 270 cos of 30, that is 270 root 3 by 2 plus NAB is given as 270.25. So 270.25. So from this the value of NB comes out to be 504.08 Newton. Similarly, now we will be applying the condition of equilibrium, that is sigma Fx equals to 0. So P plus 270 sin 30, that is P plus 270 divided by 2, that is equals to 0.4 times NB, that is 0.4 times 504.08 plus 0.4 times NAB, that is 270.25. So the value of P comes out to be 174.73 Newton. So guys, we have obtained the value of P as 174.73 Newton, which is required to be applied on the block B to just move this block. So guys, that's all from my side. If you have any doubt, do comment in the comment section, and thank you guys for watching this video.